Hello, Claire's mum here from Claire's Food Haven with an update on the apple pips that I found sprouting in the apple core when I was making chicken normandy the other day. Only 2 of the pips are surviving, and I'm finding it a bit of a challenge balancing keeping them moist enough so that the little shoots don't dry out and them not rotting off in this cold November weather. So what I've done is put them on a fairly sunny kitchen table. I've put them in seed compost, and I've got some moss from the garden, which you can see, and I'll put the moss around them now. So what I'm doing is covering them with the moss gently and then spritzing them with this little spritzer with water, just to keep the moss moist so that the moss can be a little soft, moist blanket for the apple seeds. And I'm just hoping for the best. So we'll see how they get on. Thank you. Just to show it's not completely hopeless, here's the first pink lady pip that I've managed to grow on, and it's about 4 feet high now. It's got a fair number of branches. It's got no leaves at this time of year because you can see it's a frosty day here, but it's hanging in there, it's doing okay. So I am hopeful that we can get these pips up a bit better. Thank you.